Hey guys, welcome to T's Creative Corner. For those of you who don't know, my name is T, and this is my little corner of YouTube, where I do fun, creative art videos from time lapses, product reviews, and challenges. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the April Artsnacks box. Artsnacks is a monthly art subscription service that sends art supplies to your home. I've been receiving boxes since August of last year and love to partake in the Artsnacks challenge, which is to use all the products in the box to make an original piece of art. As I was opening this month's box, I noticed it was going to be more like their watercolor snacks, which just so happens to be one of their new subscriptions. They also have lettering snacks, but I have not tried a box like that yet. I got 3 pieces of Acrylic Canson Heritage watercolor paper, a Caran d'Ache Super Color Soft Aquarelle Pencil in the color Lemon Yellow, a Tombow Fundensuki Brush Pen Twin Tip Black/Gray, a Robert Simmons Short Handle Acrylic Paintbrush, I got the number 6 shader, and finally, probably my favorite because it's something new I haven't used before, the Dawler-Rowney FW Acrylic Artist Ink. I'm primarily an oil painting artist. I've used watercolor and acrylics in the past, but I've never used acrylic ink before. So now I am going to swatch everything on one of the sample pieces of the watercolor paper. The acrylic ink is water resistant, I'm assuming when dry, but can be diluted with water like watercolor or used with a dry brush. I decided to tackle it with the water to get a range of color. I always swatch anything new I'm using before I use it in my final piece of art. Also, I used a piece of leftover glass I had from a picture frame as my palette because I only have one and it's being used for my oil paints at the moment. Artsnacks has sent me a Tombow brush before, but I like the twin tip black and gray because I can add shadow with the gray end and outline with the black end. So the color transition into the shadow to the outline would be gradually. After swatching all my colors, I doodled on my iPad Pro and finally came up with my concept sketch. I've been wanting to draw or paint a girl with flower crown for a while now. So I thought yellow-brown, okay, I can do sunflowers. So I drew up a beautiful girl with her sunflower crown, crazy hair, and was like, I don't want to do this anymore. Then Pinterest suggested pictures, and I was just scrolling and came across this giraffe that I don't know why, but I was like, I'm gonna do a flower crown, but on a giraffe. I thought it would be different. I liked the concept sketch, and that's when I went with it. I really like how my final piece came out. I wanted to make this into a bigger oil painting and just display it in my living room and put more detail into the flowers. Or I can do another giraffe in a different pose with different flowers. I don't know, it's just something fun and creative, and that's what I think art is all about. And I like that Artsnacks provided a service like this because I probably never would have thought about this concept without these items. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check me out on all my social medias. My handle is @TeasCreativity for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and VERO. Links are in the description along with links to the Artsnacks page and shop where you can buy this box or each item individually. Keep your eyes out because I'll be making a website soon where I can sell and showcase my original art pieces. I'm starting to run out of room in my one-bedroom apartment, so I need to find these pieces some homes. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!